President Emmerson Mnangagwa yesterday urged members of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces to remain loyal in their service to the nation. Sanapenda mashoko panapa tuna kuti Mnangagwa oyachikola for discipline aiwa and loyalty ku Zimbabwe Defense Forces. Chitiko chapfundutsa vanhu vo subscribe wala ikota on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mnango kudani kwa mchinzi. Mnangagwa made the remarks while addressing mourners during the burial of national heroes Walter Basoko and Brigadier General Tapo Rungani at the National Heroes Ave in Harare. The late Brigadier General was a larger-than-life commander in the ZDF. His professional conduct was always underpinned by integrity, humility, loyalty, enthusiasm, and visionary leadership, he said. These traits must be emulated by the current crop of officers, men and women in the ZDF. It is the dedication and commitment of gallant sons and daughters of the soil in the mode of Brigadier General retired Peter Rungani and Director Comrade Walter Basoko that has helped Zimbabwe to march towards attaining its goals, even during times of adversity. Basoko, a retired Central Intelligence Organization Director and a veteran of the liberation struggle, died at Life Grundlo Hospital in Pretoria, South Africa, following a long illness. Rungani died on Tuesday last week at Mbuya Dokas Hospital in Waterfalls, Harare. He was a distinguished and respected figure in the Zimbabwe National Army, where he served as the Director for the Engineering and Military Equipment Directorate. Dobashkarukuda panapa atukona kuti amtukamdo nyika oya achi ma soldiers aiwa ndipo kumana ZDF achiti aiwa mufana kuva loyal aiwa in their service. Noda kuti aiwa sezvaingoita aiwa these soldiers they led to rest vakaita sana Basoko na Rungani anachiti aiwa ndo zvamunofana kutevedzerawo mufana kuteerera mashoko anobuda achitaurwa nevanhu. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Ina comment section menu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.